Hello everyone, this is David from Acupower Limited again, and today as usual I will be answering questions. So we have an amazing year 2023. It's just the beginning of the year and Acumatica Summit is going on. The hackathon, is happening live and bunch of knowledge is being shared there. Stay tuned to get more updates, and also you can get more information by visiting Acupower.co.uk website. So shall we log in today? And today's questions is coming from Gregory, and Gregory wants to know how he can make some adjustment or set some parameters in terms of adding or removing existing users from the inventory section. So now that we've logged into our beautiful page from Acumatica, I would like to use this time a different means that Acumatica has provided for us. So for instance, I know, or all of us, we are familiar that if you want to find anything within Acumatica, this is the procedure you can use, right? We're looking for the inventory section, and this is what we can use. That is fine. But there is another option here. Looking at this box, what is it meant for? Well, everything that you are interested in looking for within Acumatica, you can use this search engine to look for. So in other words, quote unquote, is like inbuilt Google, right? Because the AI is about to, help Acumatica, about pave way for a lot of things to happen. I just told you just stay tuned. More to come. All right, so now Gregory, let's do it like this. I will just type inventory. Yeah, right. And as you can see, the moment you start keying in the words, right, one by one, the system is designed to understand what you're looking for. So it gives you a bunch of options. And as you can see, the word inventory has some, topics that falls under it. But in this case, we will just be looking for the inventory items and accesses, as the Gregory, your question states. So I just type the inventory at the top here, and you can see all the data or all information related to inventory is also or can be found here. So now let's scroll down to the end, and here we can see inventory item access. So we just click on that. And then here, Acumatica has designed it in such a way that are you looking for a group type or a description? In this case, since we are going to look at accesses, let's click on the search button, and here we can give access to cash account. So block or give access. So if we want to block account access, this is what we can use. So we have some categories, or is again, pay attention here that this is just for a demo. This is just for your question and the answer that I'm providing. So it's just a demo version. So in my system, this is how it looks like. In yours, maybe it might be a little bit different, but this is how mine looks. And the functions are the same though. So in this case, I will just select, let's say, international vendors, or let's say access to employees. Let's select access to employees. We click on that. Boom. Now we have the employees that we need to give access to. So Gregory, if you want to give access to anyone from your team, this is where you need to come. And as you can see, you have the options to select who should have the access. And then in fact, you can do this by group type. When you click on group type here, from your end, I strongly believe that it has been configured in a way that it will be easier, because the moment you get to this section, the system understands what you're looking for and it prompts you what to do. So in this case, this is how mine looks like, but I believe yours is configured and you can see something similar or something that you are related to. So in this regard, what we see here is if we want to give access to any one of these, the moment we check the box, the person will have full access. If we uncheck the box, it means that we are taking out the permissions that we give to that person to access the inventory items. And again, if you want to add a new record to the inventory items, you can do that using the same the procedures that I just showed. And when you look down here, let's say you have employees over 1,500, or that you have employees that it's very hard for you to find the exact person that you're looking for. Don't worry, Acumatica gives you the feature that you can just type the initials, or you can just type the person's name. It will pop up, and then you can then have access to remove or add the person to the system. So Gregory, I believe I have answered your question, and if you have any issues or you have any questions, just send it to acupower.co.uk, or just contact our team on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and even on YouTube. You can comment on our video, and my team will do our best to answer all your questions that like your colleagues have been doing. So yeah, this is how the procedure goes, and I look forward for your feedback. So thank you all, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.